guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Bailey. Feel free to hit that subscribe button. Follow me on Instagram, Bailey.s Stewart. Follow my TikTok at Bailey.s Stewart. As you can tell by the title, I am finally doing or redoing the highly requested hair tutorial, hair care routine. I did one a long time ago, but I guess it's just like really far down my feed now, so I'm gonna redo it. I use mostly the same products. There are a few that I changed up. Basically, I'm going to be showing you my go-to products and how I get my hair looking like this and how I keep it healthy. So yeah, if you want to see that, just keep watching. Oh, this lighting is horrendous. Basically, the key to keeping my hair healthy, I don't put any heat on it. You guys will see how I get my hair like this. I do it like every day, or at least days that I have to like get content. Yeah, rarely put heat on my hair, so it keeps it really healthy. I also do a hair mask or hair oil treatment once a week. So I'll do like this. I'll do a hair mask, leave this on for like 30 minutes, and then wash it out. Hair oil treatment, I usually pick on a day that I'm doing absolutely nothing. So I leave the oil, like I soak my hair in oil and then leave it in the whole day, and then shampoo and condition at night when I take a shower. I also use the Redken leave-in, anti-breakage leave-in treatment. I'll do some pumps after that, after I get out the shower when my hair is damp. I'll be showing my favorite drugstore shampoo and conditioner, and then my higher end, because I know not everyone can afford the high-end one I buy. I'm very thankful that I do have my cosmetology license, so I can get high quality shampoos and conditioners for a little bit more affordable. So I do Pureology. I love that brand. It makes my hair feel so good. And then my drugstore brand is the Marc Anthony Grow Long Super Fast Strength Shampoo and Conditioner. I love this. I usually switch up between the expensive one and the drugstore one, just so I'm not like running through the like $50 shampoo and conditioner. As for oil, I'm not that picky. I'll use Olaplex. I'll use a drugstore hair oil, something that has like a bunch of benefits, like that's very moisturizing. I also don't do coconut oil, because if you go out in the sun with that, it's like basically cooking your hair. So stay away from coconut oil. That's basically all that I do and put in my hair. I'm not gonna lie, it's not that extravagant. I don't have any crazy secret hair growth tips, to be honest. I just get regular trims, because you want to cut the dead ends off. I don't put heat on my hair. I do weekly hair mask / oil treatments. I try not to wash my hair every day. I sleep with a silk pillowcase. That has also helped too. 10 out of 10 worth the investment. And now I'm going to show you how I get the waves. Hi, howdy. My hair is like 90% dry. What I do to get my waves, again, it's just 2 French braids. I'm gonna try and set it up to show you how I braid it. Here is what I use. I use the Marc Anthony curl gel. I had to order this on Amazon because I can't find it anywhere in store, and I don't like the other products because they leave a tacky feel in my hair, whereas this is the only one that I can find that doesn't. So I will put like a pea size on each side, because I put it down the middle and then divide it into 2 sides while it's again at 90% dry. After I wash it, sometimes I don't wash my hair every night. Sometimes if I want to keep this style, I'll either re-braid it. Now that the cream is in, I will brush it, and I usually tie off the other side. That way I can, when I'm like braiding, I don't get any hair from the other side in my braid. Again, just 2 basic French braids. There's really nothing like that crazy. I just watched like tutorials on YouTube on how to braid, and that's practice makes perfect, because I used to not be able to braid. Use dry shampoo or re-braid it to kind of preserve the style. So we're gonna take a thin piece. The thinner the piece, the tighter the waves, but you want to be careful not to make them too tight, because then it can cause breakage. So I'm going to take this piece for the front piece, take my 2 hands and divide it into 3 pieces. I'm going to take the first piece, the front, cross it over the middle, and then take the back piece and cross that over the middle, and then take the front piece again, but this time we're gonna add hair to it. So we're gonna take a thin slice, combine it, and then cross it over the middle. And then we're gonna take the back. I hope you guys can see. Take again another thin slice, and then cross it over the middle. Then we're just gonna repeat that all the way down. Again, it's a pretty simple braid because you have 3 strands and you're only adding hair to the front and back pieces and then crossing over the middle. Alright, and then once you get to the bottom where you cannot take any more pieces, you just go into a normal 3-strand braid. Again, taking the front, crossing over the middle, taking this part, the back, crossing over the middle, and you just go all the way down. I like to go all the way down, like get every piece. I don't like leaving a lot of hair just hanging there because then you have like wavy hair and then at the bottom it just looks straight and weird. So I will go all the way down, and then once like say one of these starts to get way less hair, I would add hair to the thin strand. Like say for this one's kind of getting thin, I will take a piece from here and cross it over, and that just allows me to get like, all I'm usually left with is like that much. So that way most of my hair is wavy so it doesn't look weird, if you guys know what I'm talking about. This is like literally all I do, guys. It's pretty simple. 2 French braids, hair or oil mask weekly, leave-in conditioners, no heat, trying to wash my hair as little as possible, dry shampoo, silk pillowcases, basically all my tips I have for how I style my hair. Yeah, now I'm gonna do the other side, but I'm gonna film that for TikTok. Ta-da! This is what the end result should look like, something similar. Just 2 basic French braids, and then again in the morning I will sleep on it and then take it out. Alright, good morning guys. It is now the next day. I slept in my braids. This is what I normally do. I braid my hair at night and then sleep on it, and then in the morning after I've done my makeup, I then take out my braids. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna take them out and then hairspray, and I will show you. You guys already know how it's gonna look, but yeah, I'm just gonna include this anyways. All right, now I'm gonna hairspray. I just use Tresemme. It's cheap, works well. And here is the finished look. I don't really have a part. I kind of like flip it all around, middle part one day, side part the next. So yeah, that's literally all I do to get these, like, I wouldn't even consider this beach waves. Yeah, hopefully this video was helpful. Don't forget to hit subscribe, leave a like. Thank you for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.